Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with the new Nissan Qashqai. The car has just been launched on Croatian market. This is the facelifted version, and as you can see we have such an eye-catching design. Now on the front we have the all-new face with the new grille that is actually inspired by the ancient Japanese armor scales. I love the seamless integration of the LEDs here, daytime running LEDs, upper section and lower section, and then the main unit is over there. And also this is the new trim that is available. The N design trim gives you more sporty look. 20-inch wheels, as you can see, the wheel arches in the same color as the body of the car, and this is also the new color. Deep Ocean is the name of the color. Looks greenish but also bluish depending on the light. Really impressive styling, a proper eye catcher on the road. Let me unlock the car now again. From the rear, look at the new inner housing for the taillights. Gorgeous lighting signature, and really I think they did a great job with the styling here. And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. You will also see the all-new interior and new technologies as well. Now before we move on, let me just show you the trunk space. There we go. And you can also do this. There's also the spare tires, so just a second. Yeah, there is a spare tire over there as well. But now without further ado, let's go on a nice relaxed night point of view drive. And I mean, just look at this color, just how amazing does this look. So I will lock the car once again, and now let's go on a drive. And here, look at the new interior, look at the materials. This is so nice. But without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, this is your view as a driver. Let me start the car. We have the lovely animation here on the digital cockpit, and we are ready to go. Let me put on my seatbelt. Release the electronic parking brake. This is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. Put it to drive, and we are ready to go. And let's start with the details of the particular model that we have in our video, which has the mild hybrid powertrain, 158 horsepower, mild hybrid paired with the automatic CVT transmission that works very smoothly. You will see that the drive itself is so smooth and so nice. Now the other option is 140 horsepower mild hybrid, so those are the mild hybrids. And then you also have the innovative electrified e-Power powertrain from Nissan, which has the electric motor that is driving the wheels, and then the petrol unit is here to generate electricity for the electric motor, which is then again driving the wheels. Very innovative technology, very smooth drive, EV feel, but you don't need to charge it, you just put fuel in it. There will be a point of view drive with that one as well, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, let's go back to the mild hybrid that we have here. You can also go for the all-wheel drive version. Here we have the front wheel drive, and then 140 horsepower mild hybrid has got the manual transmission, and here again we have the automatic CVT, which is very smooth. Now the layout is beautiful, really. You have the lovely ambient and great materials. We have the Alcantara on this particular model, as we have the again N design trim, which gives you more sporty look both inside and out. Now let's depart this pretty big garage, and I need to pay a bit extra because I was in the garage for too long. So I'll be back with you in no time. Okay, the attempt number 2. And by the way, let me just show you this. So we have the cameras and the 360 surround view. Look how helpful this can be. And now we can go. So you have the 3D view of the car. Look at this. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but definitely very useful. You don't want to scratch those beautiful 20-inch wheels or any other wheels that you have, depending on the trim that you get. And yeah, you see the lovely view. Of course, when you pass certain amount of kilometers, then this view is no longer available. And I hope that you will enjoy this drive just as much as I will. So in front of us, the digital cockpit has different views. You have the normal, enhanced and minimal. This is the enhanced, and then normal as this one with the standard dials. You can also see the map between the dials. You can actually adjust what you want to see here, but I've put the map on for now. I think it looks very nice. So we have the Google Maps, Google built in, and it is actually the first Nissan in the European range that has the Google built in. So we have the Google Play, Google Assistant, and the Google Maps. So really impressive technology, and yeah, big improvement, this new infotainment system compared to the predecessor. And now again, I can show you the 360 view, and also we have the transparent bonnet view. And then this is the 360 surround view. And you can turn off the start stop here. And the AC is still on switches. And also the Google Assistant. Change temperature to 19 degrees.
Sure. Changing the temperature to 19 degrees.
And you can also ask some questions. So for example, second, what color are your eyes?
If I had eyes, I'd want them to be googly.
You see? And yeah, you have some funny answers like that. And yeah, I love the layout here, and again, I must really compliment the materials. They're so good and it feels so nice in here. Now the ambient lights, I think you can see them. There are a bunch of colors available, and yeah, definitely a nice place to be. I have them on blue now. You can of course change them, but I prefer the blue. If you follow me regularly, you will know that for ambient lights, that's for sure my favorite color. Now we have also different driving modes: Sport, Standard and Eco. And when you change the drive mode, you see that the dials also change the colors. So in Sport mode, we have the red dials, and then in Eco they are green, of course. And then this is the speed warning, which is mandatory by law on new models in Europe. So here you can actually set the driver assist custom, and then just press OK. So now we will not have this warning anymore. Basically, the speed warning is now obligatory by law, so you need to have it on new cars, and it needs to be turned on each time you turn on the car. But the thing is, here you have the custom mode, and then you can just activate this custom mode. By the way, I need to change the lane. So you just activate this custom mode, which you can preset, and then you will be able to just you know, set all the details that you want. In this case, we will not have the beeping sound, the speed warning, and also you can adjust the other systems as well. And now I can show you the different colors for the ambient lights. So if we go here, vehicle, interior light, ambient lighting. So not sure how much the camera is catching it, but they are really nice. And you have the presets here, and then you also have the whole range in here, so that is really cool. This car also has the heated seats, which you can turn on here, so both the driver and passenger, and then the heated steering wheel, which is here. But I'm not gonna be using that right now. It's not that cold. It's actually 15 degrees outside, so that's pretty good. And this mild hybrid powertrain, 158 horsepower, again paired with the automatic transmission, is so nice and smooth. I really love every kilometer that I drive with this car. And today I was actually in the car almost all day because we had the Croatian premiere, and then we drove from Zagreb to Slovenia and back. Tell me in the comments, what are your impressions? How do you like the interior? How do you like the drive itself? And how do you like the new design and new technology on this facelifted version? And now with the enhanced view, again my favorite probably, and then also you can change what you see here between the dials, and you also have a bunch of settings, including these settings for the driver assist systems. And as you can see, we have so much technology in this car, so many driver assist and safety systems. Okay guys, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come with this car. And you see also the blind spot assist now. And when I turn on the indicator, I have the blinking but also the beeping sound. So yeah, overall I hope you really enjoyed this drive, again just as much as I did. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.